Okay, elastic potential energy, example 4. So this time we've got a particle of mass 0.5 attached to one end of a string of natural length 2 meters and modulus of elasticity 19.6. The other end of the string is attached to a point O. The particle is released from the point O. Find the greatest distance it will reach below O. So if we know the natural length is 2, same as the last example, this distance is 2 plus x. Now it's released from here, so it must be at rest when it starts. And the greatest distance, when it gets to the greatest distance, that will also be a speed of 0. Got the mass as well of 0.5 kilograms. This is still same as last time, a conservation of energy question. So energy at start equal energy at end. So at the start, when it's up here, it's held above the final place. If we say here potential energy is 0, it's going to have potential energy up here. So potential energy is mgh. So put our numbers in, so mass, gravity, the height it's going to travel is 2 plus x. So if we expand this, half 4.9 times 2 again, though, is going to give you 9.8 plus 4.9 times x. So that's the energy at the start. At the end, so when it's down here, the potential energy is 0. But because it's been stretched, it's now going to have elastic potential energy. So we can use this formula. Put our numbers into that one. So from the question, we can get lambda is 19.6. We don't know the extension, and we know that the natural length is 2. So we can simplify this to that. Now, conservation of energy, energy at start equals energy at end. So we can put these two equal to each other. Then it's a case of rearranging and solving for x. So if I take 4 up and times all this by 4, sorry, a bit wonky, I'm used to this still. Expand. Make it equal to 0, so move everything over here and make it equal to 0. Factorize that, and you end up with x equals minus 1 or x equals 2. So we're going to take the positive because it's a length. Now, same as the last question, total distance travelled then is going to be this, 2 plus x. So if x is 2, sorry, can't see it in the camera. If x is 2, the total is 2 plus 2 is going to be 4.